The big political story we're tracking, the BJP could receive a communication from the Ministry of Home Affairs over government formation in Delhi. Sources in Raj Niwas are telling headlines today that if the MHA gives them a go-ahead, they will waste no time in inviting the state president of the largest party, that is the BJP, for consultation. If the BJP is willing, then the Raj Niwas might give them an invitation to form a government. The Aam Aadmi Party has been attacking the BJP over allegations of horse trading. The party is expected to hold a presser at 11 where it's saying that it will expose the BJP's unethical tactics. Let's get in a word from our correspondent Ankit Tyagi, who's joining us on the phone line from the national capital. Ankit, it seems that the decks are being cleared for the BJP to be invited for government formation, but Aam Aadmi Party is still putting up one last fight.
It seems that as of now, the communication from the Ministry of Home Affairs is going to go to the LG House, the Raj Bhavan in Delhi today. Post that, the Lieutenant Governor will, of course, invite the BJP to explore the possibility of forming the government in Delhi. As far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, of course, they have been crying foul about this whole exercise today. Arvind Kejriwal at 11 a.m. is coming up with an important presser in which he says that he's going to expose the BJP's tactics of trying to lure the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs to support the formation of government in Delhi. In fact, Kejriwal had met the president also earlier, and he has all raised the same doubts that the centre, in collusion with the Lieutenant Governor, is giving an opportunity to Delhi BJP state unit to indulge in unfair practices so that they can form a government. We'll have to wait and see today if how the day pans out, because remember, BJP is still short of numbers. Even if a secret ballot, as it's being talked about, is done, that of course will be challenged in the court, and then ultimately the power lies in the hands of the speaker, who will be conducting this floor test on the assembly.
Major developments expected in Delhi. Ankit, thanks so much for that update. We'll keep coming back to you for more.